Hey guys, NielVTEC here, and today I'll be showing you my new daily driver. If you guys don't know, I like owning two cars here in Canada, because where there's snow, there's rust, and I prefer driving another car than my sports car just to like keep it safe and stuff. So yeah, last year I recently bought a Toyota Yaris 2008. Everyone knows Toyota is pretty reliable, but it's also pretty boring, so that's why I bought another one. This one is an automatic, and yeah, didn't really give me any issues other than like one thing, but that was my fault. I didn't really put the tire correctly, so I destroyed my bearing. Anyways, we're here to talk about my other car. Come on, walk faster, bro. Yeah, I bought this for like a good price, a fair price, I should say. Bought it from a small dealership, but I always say never buy from dealership because yeah, I usually prefer buying from a private seller just because I don't have to pay for tax. But for this one, it was the only SE in the market in Canada, so I had to buy it, and yeah, I paid for the tax. But I'd say I got it for a pretty good deal. I got it for $5,000 Canadian dollars. So yeah, the only problem for this car is the AC doesn't really work. So I'm gonna hopefully just a recharge. So yeah, if it's the AC compressor, then that's another problem. But other than that, it's been hit here by I have no idea. So it's not that bad, but I would prefer if it's in perfect condition. But yeah, as you can see, it's not really aligned that well, and there's a bit of rust. Another reason why I bought this car, because if you look around here, there's rust tend to grow. Yeah, there's no rust here, and yeah, pretty happy about that. If you walk around the car, so yeah, if you look at the other side, it's pretty good. So I'm pretty happy about that. I don't really want to use this for winter anymore, but my initial plan was to use it for winter. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the interior. It's pretty cool. So yeah, the SE comes with this pedal. So I didn't buy it just for that, but so if you guys don't know what's an SE, it's basically just it's only available in Canada, and it's a sports edition or a special edition, whichever you like. And yeah, it's pretty rare. And when I saw it for $5,000, well, it was more than that. It was basically the guy was selling it for 5,600, and I negotiated my way down to like 4,500, but I still paid tax, so I ended up paying for like $5,000. I'd say it's a pretty good deal considering it only has like 140,000 kilometers. So yeah, I'd say I won. I didn't win, but it was a fair deal, so can't really complain. So yeah, the insides here only has 5 gear compared to like the SI who has 6 gear. The engine's pretty small. Like I said, this is my daily driver. It's not really my sports car, so I don't really mind. So yeah. So for the SE, it came with this. I'm pretty sure it came with its factory, or I'm pretty sure. I don't know if the guy who recently owned it before me installed this himself. It has a sunroof. I always like my sunroof, man. Like if a car doesn't have a sunroof, I just don't like it. I don't know why. Pretty cool. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. So just like other SE and other SIs, this has fog lights compared to like other Honda Civics who doesn't have one. It's pretty cool to have the fog light just because I personally believe it looks cooler. So I think it's pretty worth to have. The engine, it's pretty boring. I got nothing to show you. Other than like I think the modification that's only been done here, it's this one, the air intake. See, other than that, it's pretty reliable as other Hondas are. And yeah, another modification that's been done from this car is, just close it properly. The old owner added a subwoofer wire, so it's gonna make it a lot easier for me to like install a subwoofer if I wanted to. And yeah, so that's pretty much what I wanted to show you. So yeah, that's pretty much it about the car. I just wanted to introduce it and like do a series about it and customizing in my own liking. I plan on like putting a tin stripe on the car, putting some funny stickers, installing some subwoofer, buying new rims. This one is pretty boring. And putting some coilovers for the first time. I never done it in my life, but it sounds pretty fun. And yeah, there's more to come. I might change the body to a more sporty look, but yeah, there's no promise about that. But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's just a quick update on my channel. if you're interested in the series I'd be doing on this car, subscribe and leave a comment down below if you have a specific modification you'd like me to do on this car. Who knows, maybe I'd do it. And yeah, leave a car. So yeah, leave a like for this car, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.